What is up? It's your boy Aing bringing to you guys a brand new freaking video, man. So look, listen, today we got a fun one. Today we got an exciting one. Today we got an educational one. We're gonna be helping you find the perfect shop when you're gonna go ahead and do a lift kit on your truck. I've been dealing with this right now. I wanna save you some headache. I wanna show you how to find the right shop. Now, if this isn't for you, I apologize. But if you're in the market for a lift kit, don't miss out on this video. But first, can you see that? It looks lifted, okay, but it's not. It's just because, of course, there's a million different parking spots, but we had to find the one that gave us the coolest shot. I mean, come on. We couldn't park there because, well, we're kind of stock, and I just don't. Well, I have to bring the truck home for Sandy to see that everything's still working, and well, what do you think? It looks cool. It looks pretty sick. There's a little bit of, I think they call it tucking. There's a little tuckage situation where we tucked a little bit, something. I mean, this is that real ice. All right, nonetheless, let's get inside where it's not so windy. Alright, the steering wheel's too high. Oh gosh. Achoo! I think that should be good. I think that should be nice and dandy. Wow, I'm looking nice and snap. All right, so we're inside of the vehicle. We have some stuff to talk about. Now, I have purchased the lift kit, and the lift kit is coming soon, very, very soon. I still got to make a video talking about which lift kit I purchased, but this video, I felt the need to make it as soon as possible. I got to zoom in to make it a little bit dramatic. Okay. We have something serious to talk about. I did the lift kit on my Tacoma the last time, and it came out perfectly fine. The only thing I did mess up were the U-bolts, but now that I know what I know, obviously I wouldn't let that happen again. I want to see what it's like to take it to a shop. Can we really trust a shop? Like, so there's so many things, but this is just me trying to find a shop to do this, guys. So let's talk about the whole process, and I'm gonna give you guys some things to look out for as red flags that you don't want to deal with if you're taking it to that shop. So I've been looking for a shop now for around 2 weeks. I have reached out to 15 shops. I've sent emails and I called. Out of the 15, I got 5 responses. I got one person who quoted me $1,400. The other one I called twice, called one time, and I said, hey, can I get a lift kit installed? Well, yeah, what do you want to do? Told him what I want to do. Cool, I'll give you a call right back. 3 days later, called him back. Same thing. Yeah, give me a second, I'll call you right back. Okay. The other one I called, let them know what's going on. Yeah, send me an email, let me know what you want, and I'll get back to you tomorrow. That email did not get responded to. And last, this one is, I want to say, my saving grace. It's literally 8 minutes away from my house, and they are by far the best one that I've spoken to yet, and their website is amazing. So yeah, that's kind of where I'm at right now as far as finding the shops. So I would say reach out to as many shops as you possibly can, not to price gouge them, not to harass anybody, but just to see who's going to be able to get you done. Now, if a company is relatively busy, that's usually a good sign. It means they have a lot of foot traffic, they have a lot of customers, you know, they're doing some type of good work. Also, check out the reviews. Of course, I did find some, and well, the reviews weren't the best, so I was like, maybe I won't give them a call. But anything over a 4-star, I'm all game. Giving everybody a call, letting them know, hey, your boy Aing is trying to get some, I don't know, I was just trying to say I'm trying to get a lift kit installed pretty much. But I reached out to as many as possible. You want to look for good reviews, you want to look for good response time, and you want to look for good pricing. So if one meets all 3 of those categories, you're all good to go. Get your lift kit done, send it to my Instagram, and we'll feature you on the channel. Let's talk about the bad things you want to look out for, because these I feel like are as important, if not more important, than the positives. So first and foremost, you are the customer, so make sure you feel that way. Do not go to any shop that makes you feel like a burden. For instance, one of the shops, I've reached out to them twice, trying to get pricing, and they kind of dismissed me, right? They didn't really care. And then I gave Sandy the number, and I was like, yo, call this spot, tell them you're trying to do the exact same thing, and they gave her the price off the jump. So I was like, don't cry, don't cry, don't cry. Who knows, maybe he thinks I'm a scammer, or maybe he thinks I'm just joking. I don't know, because maybe it's a lot what I'm trying to do, maybe it's not. Who knows what the reason is. I don't think I'll be taking my truck there. Thankfully, this new shop has, you know, answered. I find out on Monday if they're willing to do the work, so fingers crossed for that. Number 2, you shouldn't need to explain the part you're trying to get. There was another shop that answered me, And I had to explain them what I was looking to get, and the guy was like, so what are you looking to do? I said, I'm trying to lift my truck. I gave him all the information, and then he asked me what size cab I had. What transmission do you have? 4-wheel drive, 2-wheel drive. Now I get it, those are pretty generic questions, okay, I guess. No other shop asked me, but I understand. And then he was like, so what parts are you looking to install in your truck? And I say, I almost just spilled the beans. And I tell him what I was looking to install, and then he asked me what that is. I will not be a test dummy, and I advise you not to be. If they don't know what you're talking about, that is not a good sign. That means they probably haven't done it before, and they probably, if you're willing, are gonna try to find out on yours. Number 3, this one is something that's very, very important. You should not know more about the parts that you're gonna install than they do. Does that make sense? I think you should know a lot about your parts before you take it to get installed. If you call a shop and there's something specific that you're looking to do that not a lot of shops can perform, they're gonna charge you a premium for it because obviously not a lot of people can do it. When you call a shop and ask them for something in specific, for example, a re-gear, if you ask them a question and they're like, and they really don't know how to answer you, you really wanna take a step back and just consider things because it's a truck. Like, this is a very, very delicate machine. One wrong thing, as you guys know, even inches of lift can cause vibrations, can cause rattling. It can do so many things. So when you're doing this type of work, you want to make sure they know what they're talking about. Quick reminder, Monday, we got another modification. We got another addition to the channel. So I'm super stoked about that. I'm super excited. And we might even have to use it before Monday. So that's good because I get to record the video on Sunday. Hint, hint, Virginia snowstorm. So I'm excited, super stoked, can't wait. But nonetheless, I hope you guys did enjoy. If you guys did, please leave a like, a comment, and a subscription. We got a lot of modification videos, a lot of modification type videos coming to this channel. So stay tuned. We're building this truck way faster than I expected. So with that being said, it's been your boy, I'm Like an Audio. See you tomorrow. Singing tomorrow. Peace. Alright, are you good, bruv? Ow! Ow! Between here, my thumb was trapped. That hurt. Did I stop recording? Oh, I'm still recording.